Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about how to germinate Rudbeckia seeds. So without further ado, let's dive into it. In a seedling tray, I have added potting mix and now let's sprinkle some seeds. Just add a few seeds per shell to have better germination rate. And once they germinate, if required, you can do the thinning. Typically, if you are starting from seed, you need to start it 6 to 8 weeks before the date of your last frost. Back of the seed packet has good instruction on how and when to start, so you can follow them. Rudbeckia are excellent cut flower and they look really stunning in flower beds and borders. Depending upon your zone, it could be perennial and they are primarily known as a black-eyed Susan. Just cover the soil thinly and don't add too much of soil. Keep the soil moist until they are well established. Alrighty, now we are all set to go, so let's put label and cover the seed tray. Keep the tray in a sunny spot where at least it gets 6 hours of sunlight. And after 14 days, here is the result. I will add some water and cover it back. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, post in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.